Hi guys, so how are you? How's your week been? Have you been reaching your goals? Have you really been doing what you need to do? So here's what I see like a lot. I have people that I call them seekers. And so seekers are those people that try this diet today, that trainer tomorrow, this workout the next day, and they keep seeking because what they want looking for is they're looking for a quick fix. I hate to break it to you. I'm going to break it to you right here. There are no quick fixes. Come on. The research it out there. It's all over the media. It's all over the news. Google it. Is there a quick fix? There's no quick fix. Sorry. There is none. So what I need you to realize is that it's taken you a certain amount of time to get your body, your health, your weight, everything to where it is right now. And hopefully it's good. But if it's not that good, then it's going to take you a certain amount of time to get out of that. You can. Absolutely. Can you change your body? Yes. Can you change your health, your energy, all of it? Absolutely, yes. But it's going to take a little bit of time. You got to have patience. Okay, so it's just like brushing your teeth. You're going to do it every day, every day, every day until it becomes second nature. So what I'd like to do and hopefully kind of encourage you to do is if you're not exercising right now, there is no reason that you can't start your morning with squats, lunges, and push-ups, and probably some crunches too. That'll take you 5 minutes. Don't get too crazy, but you can just promise me that you're going to do that every morning. Because remember, if you went from doing nothing to all of a sudden doing squats, lunges, push-ups, and abs, wow, that's something. That's going to make a change. It's going to make some kind of a change. So if you haven't been doing anything, I'd like to see you do that, okay? If you normally have an exercise routine going on and you're one of those that says, oh, but this has been such a busy week, I haven't been able to make it to the gym. Well, figure out what you're going to do. Walk the stair. I walk the stairs in my building when I am like crammed for time and can't get the workout in and I know I'm not going to make it to the gym. I do the stairs. It takes me 10 minutes, 32 flights. Oh yes, 32 flights. So you can find something that's going to just get yourself going, get the metabolism moving, just something that won't take up as much time, but at least you can still say, I got a workout in, okay? So you got to think about that. And then when it comes to food, are you drinking enough water? Make sure you're getting that in there too. You got to, all of this stuff is planning. It really, really is. If your goal is, I want to be healthier, I want to be leaner, I want to have more energy, well, you got to make a plan. So you got to kind of see, okay, I've been doing this, it doesn't work. So I need to fix it. What am I going to do to fix it? And here's the thing. All you have to do is message me. Did you know that? You can just message me a question and guess what? Oh, I will return an answer to you. And I'm not going to charge you for that. Because I just want to see you change. I want to see you get to where you want to go. So feel free, send me a message. I will answer you back, I promise. Okay? Oh, look, someone just messaged me right there. Ding, ding. Anyways, so with that said, okay, we got to turn off the ding, ding now. No more ding, ding. Okay, so with that said, I need you to make a plan because you can't keep seeking. And so if you've been seeking, take a brief moment right now to really think about it. Have these gurus, supplements, diet plans, whatever, have they actually made a permanent difference in your life? And if they haven't, then you need to stop for a minute. You just stop the chaos. Stop spending all this money on all this stuff and all these people. You can give it to me if you want to, but listen, you know, you don't have to, but you could if you wanted to. But what I do want you to do is I want you to think about a better game plan, okay? Reevaluate what you're doing. Listen to all my past videos. I'm sure they're going to give you some tips too. So really reevaluate what you're doing. Make sure you get activity in every day. And it doesn't have to be going to a gym. It could just mean parking further away with your car and walking faster. Okay? If anybody's walked around there with me, you know I walk really fast. And I do that intentionally because that way I get a little bit of workout in. Okay? So that's important. Get your water in. Make sure that most of the foods that you're eating come from things that don't have a food label. Because when they have a food label and an ingredient list, they got stuff you shouldn't be eating. So stay way away from the food label and stick to things in their natural state. An apple, a banana, some peaches, some berries, you know, fruits, vegetables. Think of it this way. Vegetables, mainstay, big plate, vegetables, yes. Fruit, dessert portion, a little bit smaller. Don't get crazy, okay? And proteins, good quality proteins and good quality fats. Eat an avocado, it's really good for you, okay? Just throw those things in there. Then you got to sleep good. You got to wake up like ready for your day, really ready to go and charge out your day. And if you're not sleeping well, I need you to stop for a brief moment and reevaluate your nighttime rituals. And because if you're waking up tired, your nighttime rituals aren't working. So you got to think about that too, because let me tell you what, if you're trying to lose weight, And let's say you're eating really well and you're exercising, but your sleep isn't good, you're not going to lose weight. I can promise you that one. So make sure you get that in there, okay? So you've got to sleep and you've got to wake up feeling rested and ready for the day. If you're waking up like you feel like you need a pitchfork to get you out of bed, you're not sleeping well. And we got to talk, okay? So that's important too. Then the last but not least, I always talk about happiness, and I think that's really important. What did I just do now? I went and had tea with a friend. I love doing that. So you got to do something every single day. Every day, you hear me? Every day I want you to do something for you. Something that you want to do just for you, okay? So figure out what that is. And sometimes we get so crazy in our day that we don't even think about it. So maybe get a notebook and write down all the things you love doing. So that way, if one day you're like, oh, I don't know what I want to do for myself, just open up your notebook and go, oh, you know what? I forgot I wanted to read that book. Let me go read that book for 10, 15 minutes. That would be a good thing, okay? So all of this comprises your health. I want you to make it happen. You can do this, okay? Make a plan. So right now it's all about make a plan, and let's please stop seeking. Stop going after this guru and that supplement, whatever, because it's not working. So make a plan. If you need help or coaching, message me. I will answer you back, okay? I will give you an answer. So, and if I don't have an answer, I have so many friends that have answers. So I can always find a friend with an answer. So we can always do that, okay? Good. Peace out. Have a great day. Bye.